Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Isabella's Quick Recipes. Now I was walking around Costco the other day, a typical Tuesday morning, and I came across these cookies in their bakery section. I was like, what are those? They look so impressive. I thought to myself, I should try to remake these on my channel. They can't be no more than 3 to 4 ingredients. So that's what we're making today. Let's get started. By preheating my oven to 350. This is what you're gonna need: flour, butter, and 2 sugars, regular and powder. This is some salt. If your butter was unsalted, you would add this salt. All right, I washed my hands and I'm gonna mix this with my hands. You could use your standing mixer if you like, but as you guys may know, I don't like taking it out of the cabinet. Look how easy this is. It's just so much easier to use your hands. Also, I like to work out my arm muscle. Now that you see the dough is kind of coming together, we're gonna go ahead and flavor this dough with some almond and vanilla extract. I felt some on my sock right now. Okay, so as you can see, the dough has been formed. You're gonna take a measuring cup and reserve 1 cup of this dough for the crumble topping. Next, we're gonna take a 1/4 cup and we're gonna fill it into either a muffin pan, or here I have this really odd shaped pan. It looks like it's for mini pies. My mom picked it up for me. I thought it was really unusual, and that's how I got the idea to make these cookies. So go ahead and take the 1/4 cup and press it into your pan. If you're using a jumbo muffin pan, it's gonna be 6, and make sure that the pans are greased and floured. That's kind of hard to take out. Voila. All right, I pressed the dough in. I just used this cup that was slightly smaller to press the middle down, make a little well to hold the jam. Today we're using cherry and apricot. The texture of this looks so good. Lastly, I have my reserved dough. I'm just gonna take some and crumble it on top. All right guys, you're gonna bake these for 20 minutes. You want the tops to get nice and golden brown. All right guys, halfway there. Look how they're looking. Puffing up nicely, getting all golden brown. They're gonna be incredible. The cookies are ready. Let's take a look. Wow, look at these guys. They almost look like mini pizzas. Okay, so these have to cool completely before taking them out of their little pie pan. The last thing is that these wouldn't be complete without a little dusting of some powdered sugar on top. Time for the best part, taste test time. I'm gonna remove one of the cookies with a spatula, break it in half. Ooh, it's soft still. You could tell, the more it cools down, the more firm it gets. Cheers. It's so hot. It is, wow. This is really good. It's super crispy on the side. Wow, this may be one of the best things I've ever had in my life. Not exaggerating. It's like a thumbprint cookie on steroids. This tastes just like a pie. It's like we hand rolled the dough and like put the filling in. It tastes identical to a pie. If you guys try these out, you're gonna be blown away without a doubt. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below if you try it out. And as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.